Alright, today we are going to show you the next step after you have mirrored something. You're going to go over to the settings over here. After you selected all the parts, you're going to apply, and it's going to tell you, nope, you cannot apply because it needs to be applied in edit mode. So you got to go to edit or object mode. It can't be applied in edit mode. It has to be applied in object mode. So you apply it in object mode. Alright, now we should have this as all as one object. I go back to edit mode. We've got all these new faces. Now it's all one object. From there, you would then go into your faces. Alright, I'm in edit mode. Go to faces. I'm going to triangulate your faces. What we have right now are quads. That does not work with the printer. So we need to triangulate the faces. Now we've triangulated every face on this figure. It is now ready for export. And it won't look like it was not done right. Now we shift F10, F10.